So hello guys, I'm going to teach you how to make your photo into round photos so that you can use it on your CV that you're going to download on my site, the oceanarrows.com. So all you have to do is to install this uh, apps. So you can install that apps on the Play Store. You can go to the Play Store and you can look for these apps and you have to install that one. Okay, then we're going back to that apps. Okay, going to open that one and you have to tap this cross. Okay, and going to sample these photos. Okay, this one. Okay, so you can drag it this all the sides to fit the photo that you like to edit, and you have to click the crop now. So after that one, you just have to play this save free after watching the video ad. So after you watch that video, the ads, so all you have to do is to press this one. Okay, you have to press that one. And go to the view photos. This one. So after you view the photos, you have to click this one to save. Okay, it was saved on your photo gallery. So the next step, I will teach you how to put it on your CV. So after that, you been in the website, you have to scroll down and look for the CV. So it was on the last part of the website. So you can click any of this. We have for deck and engine and cadet and steward. The same time we have for the those who have already have an experience. So you can fill up like this. Can fill it up like this. So you're going to select what color you like. So you can have the this one, the gold. You just have to click that one. And you have to click the open in Chrome. Okay, and you have to download this one. Just click this one, this icon. Okay, to download, and you have to click again the Chrome, so it will be saved on your drive. So after you download, you need to install these apps because the other PDF reader, you cannot edit it and save it for free, so you need to install this PDF reader, this one. So this is the take note of this sudo PDF reader and edit. So I already installed that one, so we have to go to that apps. Okay, so this is the apps, so we need to open that one. After you open that one, you go have to go to the system files where you save the uh, CV that you downloaded. So we have to open this one. Okay, I mean I have to open this one because I saved it. This file was saved on my phone. So there you have it. Okay, so you just need to click some of this to edit. I mean you have to uh, go to this and you go to the fill in sign. Okay, and click one of those. Okay, so De La Cruz, and this is Juan. Okay, and so on and so forth. You just click this blurred, colored, colored rows. You see, you just have to click that one, uh, so that you can edit it. And there you have it. So after you fill this up all, okay, you need to, of course, you need to insert the picture. So the one that you edited before to make the picture round, you just have to insert it here. So it was on the last or will be the next videos, that was have a tutorial how to uh, cut off or to make the picture round. So all you have to do is click this one again. Yeah, okay, and you have to go to the insert. Just click this one, and you have to go to look for this one. This is the image icon. You have to click that one. Insert. And what is happening? Why cannot insert? Okay, there you have it. You go to the gallery, click this one. There you have it. You have just to click that one to fit it to the border. And okay, there you have it. And you can save this one. You can actually click this one so that you can see that all actually if you save this one, all these different colored, blacks or these rows will be gone. So it will look like this. See, it will be all clean. If you already done that, you have two ways to save it. You can do the screenshot. You can do the screenshot. You see, you can do the screenshot like that. After you screenshot, just crop it, just to crop it and save. Or you can go directly to the save button, or you have to go to the share to your messenger. This one, just click this one, share to your messenger, and it will be saved there, or go to your email. Okay, so that's it, folks. Thank you.